How to set up welcome email in Beehiiv. In this video, I'll show you how to set up welcome email in Beehiiv. So to get started, go ahead and open Beehiiv into your preferred browser and then sign in to your Beehiiv account. Now once you're in here, go ahead and click on that settings button, which you'll find at the bottom left corner of your screen under the sidebar, and that will take you to your settings. Now on your settings, head over into the email tab, and then from here go ahead and scroll down and look for the preset emails, and then under this go ahead and click on this configure welcome email, and that will take you in here. So you can go ahead and personalize the subject line, preview text, and set the author of this specific welcome email. So you need to basically set that first before you can proceed on saving this email and enabling this as a tool for your newsletters. So make sure that you set this to fit the approach and style of your newsletter. And then once you're done with this, you can go ahead and simply save this by clicking on that save button at the top right, and then head back to your email settings. And then once you're on your email settings, go ahead and enable your welcome email. So go ahead and scroll down and then enable welcome email, and that is how you can basically set up welcome email in Beehiiv. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.